How to sign up and sign in to Onsite7. We've worked hard to make sure you can start using Onsite7 as quickly and securely as possible. In order to create an account, you'll need to purchase one or multiple licenses through the Onsite7 website. Once you've signed up and purchased a license, you will receive an email confirming your subscription and providing you with your account details, along with a link to access your account. Your email system may initially tag any emails as spam. This can happen from time to time, and you'll need to check your spam folders if you don't see your purchase confirmation or subscription account emails within 10 to 15 minutes. Clicking on the link on the Onsite7 welcome email will take you to the sign-in page on the Onsite7 website. From here, you'll be able to access your Onsite7 Management Console or your subscription account with the username and password provided to you in the welcome email. To download your Onsite7 app to your mobile phone, you can simply search for Onsite7 in the Apple iTunes Store or Google Play Store.